Hi, I'm Brenda House, a staff member here at the South Carolina Department of Archives and History. I'm going to show you how to do research at the archives. Please park and enter the building on the Park Lane Road side of the archives. When you enter the building, please stop by the lobby desk to register for research. First-time researchers will complete a registration card, read our rules for research, and show the security guard a photo ID. On subsequent visits, you need only to print your name on the research sign-in sheet. The next step is to visit our locker room and place any bags, briefcases, or containers in a locker. You may take pencils, paper, laptop computers, camera, and phones into the research room. We do not allow food or beverages in the research room. When you enter the research room, please stop by the desk to discuss your research project with our reference archivist. They will suggest records, index, and finding aids for you to consult. Researchers can access many of our records using our patron computers and microfilm collection. Our staff can show you how to access our online resources, use our microfilm readers, and copy machines. To access original records stored in our stacks, please complete a document request slip. Our staff will pull the records and place them at the research room desk. You will view these records at our reading room tables. Researchers are welcome to take pictures of the records as long as a flash mechanism is not used. Our staff can also help you get hard copies of these records. While at the archives, you may want to visit our gift shop and exhibit hall located in the lobby. Our research room is open 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tuesday through Saturday. On Saturdays, we close the building from noon to 1 p.m. for lunch. We look forward to seeing you at the archives, and good luck with all your research projects.